If you are a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, having the best claw hammer in your toolbox can make all the difference. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? In this video, we will be exploring the best claw hammers on the market. We will break down the key features you need to consider, from durability and comfort to versatility and precision, ensuring you find the perfect hammer for your projects. Number 1. YIYITOOLS YY1003 Claw Hammer. The YIYITOOLS YY1003 Claw Hammer is a versatile tool perfect for construction, home improvement, and general repairs. Its forged, hardened steel head ensures durability, while the fiberglass handle reduces vibration for a more comfortable use. This hammer is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, making it an essential addition to any toolkit. Key features: forged hardened steel head with polished smooth face, shock-absorbing fiberglass handle, contoured handle for a comfortable grip, balanced weight for general-purpose jobs. Number 2. ESTWING E316S Claw Hammer. The ESTWING E316S Claw Hammer is a versatile tool designed for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. Forged from a single piece of American steel, this hammer is built to last and withstand the toughest jobs. Its patented shock reduction grit and finely crafted ripped claw make it a reliable and comfortable choice for a variety of tasks. Key features: ripped claw versatility for pulling nails and prying, forged in one piece for superior durability, patented shock reduction grip reduces vibration by 70%, longer handle for enhanced balance and control, made in the USA with the finest American steel. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CEM-HT51399 Claw Hammer. The CRAFTSMAN CEM-HT51399 Claw Hammer is designed for durability and comfort, making it perfect for driving and pulling nails. Its overstrike protection and overmold grip ensure a longer lifespan and better handling. Backed by a full lifetime warranty, this hammer is a reliable choice for everyone. Key features: overstrike protection for added durability, overmold grip for improved handling, ideal for driving and pulling nails, full lifetime warranty. Number 4. Spec Ops M22CF Claw Hammer. The Spec Ops M22CF Claw Hammer is designed for precision and power, featuring a 25% lighter head for a controlled swing. Its ballistically balanced design and shock-absorbing MOO grip enhance accuracy and reduce sting. With a magnetic nail starter and versatile ripped claw, this hammer is ideal for a wide range of tasks. Key features: 25% lighter head for controlled swing, ballistically balanced for maximum power, shock-absorbing MOO grip, magnetic nail starter, versatile ripped claw for demo and nail removal. Number 5. Mr. Penn HM06NL Claw Hammer. The Mr. Penn HM06NL Claw Hammer is a compact and durable tool made from high-density carbon steel, perfect for woodworking. Its ergonomic non-slip handle and magnetic nail starter make it easy and convenient to use. Lightweight and portable, this 8-ounce hammer is ideal for both home and shop use. Key features: made from high-density carbon steel, ergonomic non-slip soft handle, magnetic nail starter, perfect size for easy portability, ideal for woodworking and DIY projects. Number 6. WORKPRO Claw Hammer. The WORKPRO Claw Hammer set includes 2 hammers, making it perfect for a variety of general jobs such as home repairs, construction work, and woodworking. Made with durable forged steel, these hammers feature fiberglass handles that absorb vibration and reduce fatigue. The ripped claw design and precision balance ensure versatility and ease of use in any task. Key features: includes 8-ounce and 16-ounce hammers, durable forged steel construction, polished smooth face and angled claw, fiberglass handle for vibration absorption, non-conductive non-slip handle. Thanks for watching this video of the best claw hammers on the market. We have covered a range of options to suit different needs and preferences, from lightweight to heavy duty. So, which claw hammer is the ultimate champion for your needs? Let us know in the comments below.